Hi, my name is Azra Begum. I'm an IT specialist, and today I'll be going through a short tutorial on how to use the electronic task referral system. This new module will be used for City Health partner services including Dermatology, Gastroenterology and Endoscopy, and the Ultrasound service. For demonstration purposes, I'm logged into Clarendon Medical Centre. First, you can go ahead by searching your patient. As you can see, I've opened up Mr. Frederick Test. On the left-hand side of your clinical tree, head down to Referrals, left-click and select New Electronic Referral. A new window appears, Electronic Referral Receipt. Below you have a list of services. However, if your service does not exist here, please click Not Listed. You can then search for your service. We will be searching for City Health Federation, and they have their own unique code, DYH01. Alternatively, you can also search using City Health Bradford GP Federation. Left click to add this service to your address book. Double click to open up the new electronic referral form. Caseload, you would pick Dermatology, Task Receipt, Dermatology team. For read code, it would be Referral. Referral to dermatologist. Click OK. Reason for referral could be searched to, so skin problems. Urgency, you can set to whatever priority you think is appropriate. Give a summary of the referral. You can also enter your referral narrative here in this box. You can also click this icon to search for drugs which the patient may be using. However, you can also just type that. Click OK. And your referral will be sent across. Simple and user-friendly, and thank you for watching this video.